Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Lahat po ng ating students and our students naman, SOC family connected.
Trick or treat.
Kasama.
Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Ha? Taas tayo. Oo. Ah.
And this is the first time that we will celebrate this event in this Gen 3. So,
Yan, kidso na. Dati nagkikidso na tayo pag Christmas. One, wow. Oh. Hey.
And let's all enjoy this afternoon.
Trick or treat.
I would like to welcome all of you to the School of Zach Music Studio Halloween 2025.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Sir John. Okay, boots and superheroes. Ito na ang moment nyo. Time to show off these amazing costumes.
Yes, but before we start calling up our amazing participants, we have a quick announcement for our very generous Teams Art and Musical Service.
To make sure the flow is smooth and all the kids get their goodies right away, we are requesting all sponsors to please immediately proceed to the designated trick or treat area at the side of the audience. So please get ready with your gifts.
Oh.
Yes, please gather around there now as we are starting the parade in 1 minute.
Again, yung mga may tricks po, tricks and treats, dito po sa side. The parents po na mamimigay ng candies, dito na lang po sa side. And yung mga kids get ready with your costumes now, okay? Thank you!
Meron ito sa Peninsula kahapon. Trick or treat. Oh. Ika, appliances muna tayo. Appliances. Bibili ako ng